Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Skyjacked. In this book, we have 6 friends who attend a very prestigious academy, and they are all returning home from their end of the summer camping trip together. However, they're returning home on Cassie's private plane. Everything seems normal except one of the regular pilots is sick, so there's a replacement. And then all of a sudden, Cassie starts to get violently ill herself for no clear reason at all. And then Jay realizes that the plane is flying in the wrong direction of their home. So while the government is on the ground trying to figure out what's happened, they begin to wonder who is doing all of this. Where are they going? What made Cassie so sick? And even if they are able to get into the cockpit and rescue themselves, can any of them even fly an airplane? So all of these kids must band together to save themselves 30,000 feet in the air. To find out what happens, read Skyjacked. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.